Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the most informative content on various investment opportunities. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of marine or maritime investment, exploring the potential it holds and how you can take advantage of it. Marine or maritime investment refers to investing in businesses or projects that are related to the ocean, such as shipping, ports, logistics, and offshore energy. One of the main advantages of investing in the maritime industry is its stability and longevity. The industry is always in demand, and it has been around for centuries. There are many examples of successful marine investments. For instance, the global shipping industry generates trillions of dollars in revenue every year, and investing in shipping companies can be a profitable venture. Another example is offshore wind energy, which is gaining popularity due to its eco-friendliness and long-term sustainability. Investing in offshore wind farms can yield significant returns in the long run. However, like any investment, marine investment also comes with risks. One of the main risks is the unpredictable nature of the ocean, which can lead to accidents or natural disasters. Additionally, the industry is heavily regulated, and changing regulations can impact profitability. In conclusion, marine or maritime investment is a promising option for those who are looking for stable and long-term investment opportunities. It's an industry that has been around for centuries, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. However, as with any investment, it's important to do your due diligence and research before committing your funds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on investment opportunities. Visit ShipFinex now.